Are they gonna fit? Are you sure?
I don't know. I'm not.
What's up, homies of the interwebs? Lugnuts.Guapo coming at you from Maverick Harley-Davidson. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video, of course, at the end, because if you like it now and you didn't really like the video, then it's kind of a waste. So wait till the end, then like. Today we are going to replace the stupid Kuriakin intake for a more modern twin cam intake, because if you own an FXR, you already know, not cheap. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that the intake is off, we're gonna go ahead and put these little adapters on there, and probably put some red Loctite. By the way, this is not a step-by-step video, nor should you be listening to me if you're doing this on your own. I'm just kind of going with what I'm being told, so I am not the expert here. But basically, these adapters help for these to go onto the heads, which in turn hold this in place, and there's also the exhaust in a way, not like exhaust, but like, you know, if any oil comes back out, it recirculates it back into the intake. So yeah, so let's get some red Loctite and put these bad mamma jammas on there. We just let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll continue. What I got you doing on this one?
Diamond audio amp and Hertz
Speakers. Hertz speaker. Already installed.
Speakers.
The speakers are.
Hey Tom, what tool do you use to tighten it up?
Alright, I need to get a little extra piece from KC now that these shenanigans are dry. Now that Loctite is dried out. Casey, I need the little rubber boots that go in here.
I know.
Yeah.
I had it cold and sitting out for you for like never, and then I couldn't find it.
I hit language. Jeez. So hostile.
You just need one?
No, I need two. They come in pairs, don't they? Are they gonna fit? Are you sure?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, because I can't look anything up because your shit's weird. You won't tell me anything.
It's
a secret.
I've told you like 10 times where it is.
This?
Yes, that's the one.
How's it go? Like that?
Yeah, that's how it goes. See? How much are these?
90.
What?
Just kidding. Hang on. Let me see.
You know that I'm broke all the time. I don't know why you're trying to take all my money.
You're not broke.
Says who?
Dos
Equis? Yes, por favor. I have 3 of those.
Alright, so your total with everything so far is $26.59.
All right. Well, thank you. Oh, that's probably the last thing I'll need, I think. Well, I hope. All right, so I'm supposed to put these on here. Not snug, but tight, but don't go crazy. That's the only explanation that was given to me. Probably look up the torque specs, but oh well. Put some blue Loctite on these suckers. Oh, time for the intake. All right, I forgot the last part, the cover. I'll go grab it and be right back.
You're tired? Tired. Hearing.
There's Dane. What are we doing, Carl?
Just recording.
Okay, yeah. Diamond Audio. Check it out. It's great.
He's a great salesman.
I got Diamond Audio, personally. No, it's not installed yet due to my laziness
And inabilities.
and inabilities. Help. I need help, Tom.
Dane line 3, Dane line 3. Texas Hogs just paid their thing. Friend! They say he's just a friend.
That's a lie. He's my best friend.
It's my snuggle buddy. I needed to talk to him too, and he walked up.
So my battery died, and my other card got full. So I have no idea how much of footage I lost. So we're about to find out. But I need to get a where did it go? This goes to the air cleaner filter. That way it's a nice little spacer for that cover, which belongs to a Dyna, which whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on. And that's it. If you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, all that jazz, and in the meantime, you got your Harley? And get some wind therapy. I think this is called Shopalicious, by the way. Maybe. It's called Shopalicious. Alright, later.